Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into the Amazon Basics 9-inch magnetic torpedo level and ruler. This isn't just any level. It's hailed as one of the best magnetic levels on the market. Let's find out why. First off, this level is packed with features that both professionals and DIY enthusiasts will appreciate. It boasts a sturdy construction with an ABS and aluminum frame, reinforced with a TPR coating for added durability. That means it can withstand the rigors of any job site. What sets this apart are its 3 precision vials for leveling: horizontal, vertical, and 45 degrees. These vials are made from supremely transparent acrylic glass with bright fluorescent liquid inside, making it easy to read in any lighting condition. And check this out, it comes with a magnetic edge, allowing you to go hands-free when working with steel materials. Perfect for when you need both hands for adjustments or measurements. On top of that, it's not just a level, it also integrates a ruler with metric and imperial scales. This makes it incredibly versatile for measuring as you level, whether you're marking distances for drilling or ensuring precise alignment. Imagine using this to perfectly align frames on your walls, ensuring that everything hangs just right. Or, if you're into home improvement projects, this level will become your go-to tool for tasks like installing cabinets or shelving units. Now, let's talk about usability. The Amazon Basics magnetic torpedo level is designed to be lightweight yet robust, making it easy to carry around and handle. The hole on the frame allows for convenient storage when not in use, a small detail that adds to its practicality. At just under $30, this level represents excellent value for money. With its high accuracy and durable build, it's an investment that will last through numerous projects without breaking the bank. So, whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior tackling home projects, the Amazon Basics 9-inch magnetic torpedo level and ruler is a tool that delivers on its promises. It combines accuracy, durability, and convenience, all at an affordable price point. If you're looking to elevate your toolkit, look no further. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy leveling!